Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging for you. And it is from Amazon. And it is less than $10. So, before I get into it, I just want to say hi to all my subscribers and thank you. And I just want to say to Melody and Claire, I'm sorry, but I think this might be the last one. I think. So, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'll let you know here in a second. So, alright, let's get into this unbagging. So, this is a poured glue, and I gave $5.98 for this. And I like it for two reasons. Alright, let me get this rolled backwards and then I will let y'all know what I'm talking about. Move this over here out of the way. So, it's a gnome. Claire, I'm sorry. Melody, I'm sorry. But I just could not help myself, y'all. It's cute. And it says, let it be. Now, I am a Beatles fan, John Lennon fan. So, I had to. Y'all, I had to. But isn't he cute? Sylvia, I know you like this one because I know you like gnomes. I like gnomes. So, I know Sylvia will like it. She'll be on my side. So, alright, y'all. So, this is a 30 by 40. And there is a thumbnail up at the top. There is the canvas number. It does have a schematic on the top left and on the bottom right. There are 29 colors, and it does have the DMC number. And it looks like we're going to be doing all numbers and letters until you get down to the last two. And the last two are just a dot and the minus sign. So, no big deal. Alright, so in the toolkit, it's a little bit nicer than your average. So, we're going to pull it out and look at it. Alright, so we get a green boat, a larger square of pink wax, a pink squishy. We get a few baggies. If I can get them back in there. All right, we get two pins. That feels loose. All right, we get two pins. And one of them has got a multi-placer on it. And it looks like maybe a 9. I think. Maybe a 9-placer. And that is it. So that's a little bit better than just your regular kit. So, alright. Let's look at these baggies. Or these drills. So, yeah. Melody and Claire are two of my subscribers. And they hate gnomes, y'all. How can they hate gnomes? They're cute. Okay, so anyway, I'm not going to say anything else except for I'm sorry. But I had to do it. So, let's look at the colors, y'all. So, we've got some blues and some greens and pinks. There's some gray, some blues, more pinks. Some blues. Alright. And then we got 3 strips. No. Okay. Then we have some orange. Looks like it's yellow in the camera, but it's actually orange. Then some pinks and some browns, some reds, some blues, orange, greens. We're gonna have a lot of green. And some brown, some gray. And I'm all twisted up here. Alright. And then we're gonna have one, looks like, what number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310. And then we've got some yellow, pinks, and I don't know what color that would be considered. In the camera, it kind of looks brownish, but it's like a taupey color. All right, so that's the colors. And what do y'all think? Okay, let me know down in the comments if you like gnomes. And if you've done this one, I like his little tie-dye clover there. And then he's got a staff. Then he's got a peace sign hanging off the top of his, or the end of his hat. And his hat is all made with, looks like clovers. I don't know if they're 3-leaf clovers or 4-leaf clovers. And then he's holding up the peace sign. And then in the bottom, it says, "Let it be." So, yeah. Isn't he cute? I think so. Alright, so he is very sticky and a lot of color blocking around the background, which is going to be why we have all those 310s. So, in his hat, it's going to be quite a bit of confetti. It's just different shades of green. And then his nose. And then that clover. And even though we have all these different colors of pinks, I can still tell what they are. So I think this is going to be okay. And with it being a 30 by 40, I can still read this because they've, you know, made it big enough to where you can see it. And I like the way that they have it written out. I like that type of print, I guess, what you would call it. So what do y'all think about this one? This is not too bad. I gave $5.98 for it. Not too bad at all. And like I said, I like the gnomes, but I had to get this one because of the Let It Be and the peace and everything. I just had to. So, all right, y'all. Leave me a comment. Let me know who likes gnomes, who doesn't like gnomes, besides Melody and Claire, because I already know. And every time I get one and I open it and I think of them too, I have to laugh. I'm sorry. It's just funny. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I hope y'all are having a great day, and I hope everything's going well for you, and I hope everyone's getting a chance to diamond paint. And until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.